Hi everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 12th, 2020. The fifth one is a binary puzzle. And this will be number 1518. Wow. Yes, 8. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. So let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in a column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, and there an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. And then double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 3 1's. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, and now am I stuck? No, I need to think or compare. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Yes, we need to compare. We have here O, empty box 1, 1, O, 1, 1. Yes, I need to know these two boxes. I cannot place the same digits here, otherwise I have identical rows. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Do I need to compare again? That's the question. Yes, I cannot here. We have here 3 1's. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 4 O's in a row, so that's not allowed. 3 O's or 4 O's in a row is not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. We have now 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Do I need to compare again? Question mark. Well. 3 O's in this row. If I place the fourth O here, then we have 3 1's in a row. In this row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Number 1. Need to compare, yes, this second column and the fifth column. Alright, empty box, empty box, 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Do I need to compare again? Yes. Let me see. Double O 1 1 0 1. Yes. The second row and 3 and the sixth row. Oh no. The fifth the fifth row. This is not correct. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box 1 1. So I need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of thinking. Almost made the mistake. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today. It will be a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.